Here are 3 reasons why if you're an RVer, you need a Tucktec Folding Kayak. Number 1 is that they're easy to store. I mean, you don't need a lot of space to store a Tucktec Folding Kayak. You can keep it in your trunk, you can keep it in your garage, you can keep it in a closet, under the bed, you name it. Number 2 is that they're easy to haul. You see, when you're camping, hauling kayaks is a luxury that not a lot of people have. I mean, a lot of people, once they start camping, they do that in their older years, and they're not going to want to carry and lift and grab a big full-size kayak. But with the Tucktec Folding Kayak, it hauls in a storage bay or in a trunk or in the back of your truck. I mean, it can haul pretty much anywhere. Number 3 is convenience. You see, you start camping and RVing because you enjoy the wilderness and you want to get out there and enjoy it to the fullest. If something's not easy to do, we find ourselves not doing it. So if it's not easy to get a big kayak down, if it's not easy to work with this inflatable and then try to put it back in the bag, if it's not easy to do it, we're not going to do it. With the Tucktec, it's really easy to do it. It's really easy to pull it out wherever you are at the body of water and very quickly put it together and start paddling. And because of that, I think people take advantage of it a lot more, the convenience, and they enjoy the outdoors more. So that's 3 reasons why the Tucktec Folding Kayak is perfect for RVers. But I want to hear what you think. Did we miss anything? Leave the comments below.